The Great Wall of China, a symbol of power, defense, and human ingenuity. This ancient structure has stood the test of time and captured the imagination of millions around the world. But did you know there are some truly unbelievable facts about this massive marvel? Let's dive in. Fact number 1, it's not one continuous wall. The Great Wall is not a single continuous wall, but rather a collection of walls and fortifications built by different dynasties over more than 2 millennia. It stretches across various terrains, with sections varying in design, length, and materials. Fact number 2, it's longer than you think. The total length of all the walls and fortifications that make up the Great Wall is around 13,170 miles. That's more than half the distance around the Earth. And yet most people are only familiar with a small portion of it. Fact number 3. It took millions of workers to build. Over the centuries, millions of soldiers, prisoners, peasants, and forced laborers worked on the wall. Estimates suggest that hundreds of thousands of workers died during its construction due to harsh conditions, accidents, and even disease. Fact number 4. The wall was built with different materials. Depending on where it was being constructed, the materials used in the Great Wall vary. Some parts were made from stone, brick, and mortar, while others were built using earth, wood, and even sticky rice mortar. Yes, you heard that right. The ancient Chinese used rice flour to make the mortar stronger and more durable. Fact number 5. It's not as visible from space as you think. There's a myth that the Great Wall is visible from space with the naked eye, but that's not entirely true. While astronauts can spot it with telescopic lenses, it's not as visible as many people believe. Fact number 6. The wall was a defense system, not just a wall. The Great Wall wasn't just a physical barrier, it was a sophisticated defense system with watchtowers, beacon towers, and fortresses designed to communicate with distant garrisons and protect against invasions. Fact number 7. It didn't always work against invaders. Despite its grandeur, the Great Wall didn't always keep out invaders. The Mongols, led by Genghis Khan, breached the wall multiple times, proving that no defense is entirely foolproof. The wall did, however, slow down many invasions and offered a major strategic advantage during several dynastic wars. Fact number 8. It's also a symbol of unity and strength. Over time, the Great Wall came to symbolize the unity and strength of China's people. It stands as a testament to their ability to protect their territory and culture. Fact number 9, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1987, the Great Wall was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its historical and cultural significance. It remains one of the most iconic landmarks in the world and continues to draw millions of visitors every year. Fact number 10, parts of the wall are slowly disappearing. Sadly, some sections of the Great Wall are deteriorating. Due to natural erosion and human activity, approximately 30% of the wall has been destroyed or is in poor condition. Efforts are being made to preserve what's left, but the Great Wall is slowly disappearing from the landscape it's dominated for centuries. The Great Wall of China, more than just a wall, it's a symbol of perseverance, an architectural marvel, and a reminder of the human spirit's ability to achieve the impossible. What's the most surprising fact about the Great Wall to you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing history facts. See you in the next video.